Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing only what you need, the NET SDK and an editor. Once installed, create the runnable scaffold with .NET New Console, My App, and open that folder. Make your first code change in program. CS so you confirm the app builds, run .NET build, then .NET run. At the same time, initialize Git and commit the scaffold so you have a rollback point. This gets you into coding fast, while preserving a clear baseline for later refactors. Now focus on structure and testable logic. Define concise classes and interfaces that represent your domain. Avoid monolithic program. CS. Inject dependencies instead of newing implementations, and keep configuration in app settings. JSON. Write unit tests with XUnit to validate critical methods so you catch regressions early. Once tests pass locally, refactor for clarity and performance. Run .NET Test and .NET Build in CI. These steps ensure your app scales, remains maintainable, and finish by producing a deployable artifact and verifying it runs in the target environment. Use .NET Publish C Release R runtime to create a self-contained output, or build a Docker image using a multi-stage Docker file to keep images small. Once deployed, smoke test critical flows. If something breaks, reproduce locally, enable verbose build and runtime logging, and check exception stacks. Often a missing configuration or runtime mismatch is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.